How do you use React Server components in Next.js 13? Here's a simple server component to use data from an API. In Next.js 13, every component is a server component by default. If we open the browser console, we can see that the data is not printed to the console. But if we check the server logs, we can see that the data is printed. That's because the component is rendered on the server, not the client. That's great for performance, like fetching data from the API. But how can we make it a client component? It's super easy. Just add use client at the top of the file, even before any imports. Here's a simple client component with a counter that increments when we click a button. It uses use state to keep track of the counter. Without use client, Next.js throws an error because it's still a server component. But with use client, it is now a client component and the counter works expected. And that's how you turn a server component into a client component in Next.js 13.